Welcome back to QA Vision. Over the past 6 videos, we've built and tested requests, chained them, used variables, and added scripts. Now it's time to take the next step, running our tests automatically in CI/CD pipeline. Newman is the command line runner for Postman collections. It lets you run all your requests and scripts from the terminal. And today I'll show you how to use it with GitHub Actions. First, export the collection you want to run. Click the three dots next to the collection name, More, Export, and choose Collection version 2.1. Save it as a collection.json. Do the same for your environment. Go to Environments, find the one you're using, click Export, and save it as env.json. Now you have both files ready for automation. Upload both files to your GitHub repo, the same one you'll use for automation. You can place them in the root folder for now. If you don't have a repo yet, just create a new one and push your files. Now let's add a GitHub Actions workflow. Create a folder called GitHub Workflows in your repo. Inside it, create a file called newman.yml. Paste this config. Commit your changes and push them to GitHub. Go to the Actions tab, you'll see the workflow running. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see your test results in real time. That's it, your Postman tests are now running in the cloud automatically. This is how most teams run tests before deploying their code. Got questions or want to go deeper? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.